Most people think Netflix recommendations are just based on what you watched last. That's surface level. The reality is much deeper and a bit uncomfortable. Netflix isn't just tracking what you watch, it's tracking how you watch. When you pause, when you stop, what you skip, what you rewatch, even how long you spend browsing. Every small action becomes data, and that data is used to predict what will keep you engaged. Now think about this in a simple way. Two people can watch the same show, but behave completely differently. One finishes the entire season in a day, another watches slowly over a week, and a third drops it after one episode. Netflix doesn't treat them the same. It segments users based on behavior, not just content. That's why your homepage looks different from someone else's. It's not random, it's personalized based on patterns. This system is powered by recommendation algorithms, often using techniques like collaborative filtering. The idea is simple. If users with similar behavior liked certain content, you're likely to like it too. But Netflix goes beyond that. It doesn't just recommend shows. It optimizes thumbnails, titles, and even the order in which content appears. What you see first is not accidental, it's calculated. But here's where it gets strategic. Netflix is not just recommending content, it's trying to maximize engagement. The longer you stay, the less likely you are to cancel your subscription. So every recommendation is essentially answering one question: what will keep this user watching? That's why sometimes you see content that's not the most popular, but the most relevant to you. And this didn't happen overnight. Early recommendation systems were much simpler, but as data grew, so did the complexity of these models. Netflix invested heavily in improving this system, even running competitions like the Netflix Prize to improve recommendation accuracy. Over time, this became one of their biggest competitive advantages. Now with AI, this system has become even more dynamic. Recommendations update in real time, adapting to your latest behavior. Watch one new genre and your entire feed starts shifting. The system is constantly learning, constantly adjusting. But here's the part most people don't realize. You're not just consuming content, you're training the system. Every click, every watch, every skip feeds back into the algorithm. And over time, the system gets better at predicting what you'll do next. At the Learning Studio, the goal isn't just to explain what companies do, it's to show how they think. Because once you understand how Netflix uses data, you stop seeing recommendations as convenience and start seeing them as a carefully designed system to influence behavior. And that's when you begin to understand how powerful data-driven decisions really are.